Do you want to know how to classify and categorize the sound you heard? Please watch this video until the end. Keep on watching to learn something. Good day, kids! This is your teacher Sheshe, and welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay? Are you ready? Come on, let's start! Learning to classify or categorize sounds heard is an important skill. It helps us identify and distinguish the sounds heard in the environment. Knowing how sounds are produced will help us determine and produce the sounds of the letters of the English alphabet. There are different kinds of sounds around us. Let us classify them. First, the wild animal sounds. This is a sound of an elephant. This is a sound of a monkey. This is a sound of a lion. This is a sound of a frog. And now, let us proceed to the farm animal sounds. This is a sound of a cat. This is a sound of a duck. This is a sound of a pig. This is a sound of a dog. Now, kids, let's proceed to the transportation sounds. This is a sound of a helicopter. This is a sound of an airplane. This is the sound of a fire truck. This is the sound of an ambulance. Now, kids, let's proceed to the sound from an object. This is the sound of a whistle. This is the sound of an electric fan. This is the sound of a telephone. This is the sound of a digital alarm clock. Now, kids, let's proceed to the musical instrument sound. This is the sound of a drum. This is the sound of a guitar. This is the sound of a piano. This is the sound of a tambourine. And now, kids, let's proceed to the sound from the environment. This is the sound of a thunder. This is the sound of an ocean. This is the sound of a rain. And that is the different classification of sounds. Now, kids, let's categorize the sound. There are two kinds of sound, the soft sound and the loud sound. There are things that produce loud sound. These are alarm clock, ambulance, helicopter, drum, and thunder. There are also things that produce soft sound, and these are whispering, mother singing lullaby, praying, buzzing bee, and bird. Now, kids, let us try what have you learned. Try to answer this. Put a check to mark objects that make loud sound and X for those that make soft sound. Write your answer in the comment box. Did you get a perfect score, kids? Can you comment yes in our comment box? And that is our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. Keep safe, everyone. Bye. God bless us all.